Damn. You know what? Keep that in there. Keep that in there. Y'all, I got a little spinny chair. You see the CTB, you know, the CTB production is upgrading a little bit. You feel me? But hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. You read the title, you know what we're getting into. Let's get started. Damn, bruh. Using my speaker to hold up my iPad. Listen, bro, we bears. Back to the video. Oh, also, if you're new here, thank you so much for being here, man. The family just hit 1,000 subscribers. Not just, maybe a couple weeks ago, but thank y'all so much, man, for supporting me. I'm just here to entertain. I'm here to make y'all laugh. And, you know, we're here to just have a good time. I hope I'm your new niche. I'm so excited. Bro, this is my favorite series, bro. Pull me up.
Damn.
Testing a bum. Get the soap on it. Quick, you got the soap on it. Right. Now just put it in.
So, yeah.
That's part of her face.
A bum. Get the soap on it. Quick, you got the soap on it. Right. Now just put it in.
So, yeah,
That was probably hot booty air out the cow asshole and everything. That's insane. Why? Like, why do you have to do that? Like, why would the rocket the story itself? It's just supposed to go straight. I don't fucking know, man. I'm not an astronaut. Why are you asking me? Nigga, get out. Ooh. Right here, too. I know that burns, like, right here.
I don't know. I just want to see a fight.
Who the is Coco? I didn't even know there was a Coco at our school.
What she look like?
Who the is Coco? Damn, have you ever been that person in real life? Like, in real life, have you ever been that person? Oh, that's so embarrassing. That's not embarrassing, but it's like, girl, nobody was talking to you. Nobody was talking to you. You probably are up at night thinking about that. I would be. That's embarrassing. Oof, man. Ooh. Damn, that hug at the end, that's like the most older brother to the little brother, like, don't tell mom, please don't tell mom, we're gonna get both our asses whooped. Been there. As the youngest, I've been there. Trust. Oh my gosh. Oh. Sipping on that yak. Cause I'm grown enough, alright? I'm not gonna tell you what this is. This is water. For all you know. But it's definitely not. Ugh. Ooh. Well done, player. Well done. Damn. Also, let me turn this light down again. Oops, I hit again. Damn, my mama Brittany. Damn, my mama Brittany. Oops, I hit again. Damn, my mama DJ Khaled. We the best. Damn, my mama. Damn, I feel like. Damn, we rolling hella deep. I feel like a damn. What does that even mean, bro?
Stop. Lacey, f off. Are you serious?
Give it back.
No.
I'm not kidding.
Lacey, give it back.
You better give his nose.
You better give me my.
Give him his nose back right now.
Give it. Lacey, what the fuck? Give me my nose back.
I don't want to be involved with this.
No, give me my nose back. I see it. No, give me my nose back.
Neutral.
Lacey.
You know what gets me? I like how they're all locked in with the bit. Like, every one of them, they're all locked in. They're just like, yo, give that nose back right now. Right now. Get that. Not only did you lose a pool,
fried rice, chow mein, orange chicken, beef and broccoli with some sweet and sour sauce, some soy sauce, and sriracha chili sauce. Fried rice, chow mein, orange chicken, beef and broccoli with some sweet and sour sauce, some soy sauce, and sriracha chili.
the gluttony. No, honestly, that plate did look good as f. I'm not even gonna hold you.
I've been stung by a wasp! I've been stung by a wasp! I'm dying! By a wasp! I'm dying!
Ooh, he like that. He like that. What are you talking about? Also, yo, I was gonna do this for a bit. I forgot. I got a candle the other day, right? This candle smells good. It smells like room. You know what I mean? I got this from Target. Coconut water orchard. Coconut water orchard. Yo, I thought there were bugs in there. There's like little black specks moving around. I thought those were bugs. You see that shit? Those bugs. All right. I'm gonna put this over here. That cat is so weird. What a weird ass looking ass cat, bro. That is actually hilarious. What happened to them? He should not be, I shot nigga. He should not be nigga. Hey. They don't make nothing no more. Remember when they had the internet in the chokehold? I do. Shit was crazy. Imagine having that much control over your body. I can do a cartwheel. I'm not gonna do it in here, but if this video gets 10 likes, I'll do a cartwheel.
Continue. Only you can bring honor and dignity back to the plate today.
The scissors. And scissor left.
Action fingers.
The can. And cannot
Action
stop.
fingers.
Ow! Quick!
But honestly, as a younger sibling, I have a sister, and I used to do shit like that to her all the time. So I totally get you, sis. Hey, it'd be like that though. It'd be like that.
That's on West Home. The homie said Group got infinity titties on That's on West Home. The homie said Group got infinity titties on
That laugh always got me. That's gotta be racist.
Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep.
Go to sleep, Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Damn, see, there go my verbal stem. Shout out to autism. Shout out to everybody who has autism, because autism stand up. I don't medically, diagnosably have autism, but it's in the air. Everybody's autistic. So shout out to the people with autism for real.
So if you're watching this in Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabia.
If you're watching this in Saudi Arabia, you're so beautiful. You look so nice today. And I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so happy that you took time out of your day to just spend some time with me and just hang out. We having a good time. We watching some funny little videos. And I hope I'm making you feel better, because it's hard out here. It is. So appreciate where you are in this moment, because you'll never get it again in life, you know? So if you don't feel seen, I'm here for you. And I'm always be here for you. And I love you. And thank you so much. Jesus loves you too. He's right there. He's gonna be in every video I make. He's always gonna be in a cameo. We love you. We're watching over you. And we just thank you so much for being here. All right? I hope that made you feel better. Let's get back to the funny videos.
Boy, get your ugly ass on, boy. Got the last shots on, boy. Nah, boy, the beauty supply chain, boy. Boy, your comb head ass on, boy. Sasha McGriddle head ass on, boy. You got these long ass shoes on, boy.
Long ass shoes is crazy, bro. I'm a size 13. Do I got long ass feet? Oh! Apparently I do. These big ass feet just almost made me bust my ass. Well, get your ugly ass on, boy. Them long ass shoes.
Hey, how you feeling? What? What the funny? Why you laughing? Hey, jackass.
I have a Nissan Maxima. It's parked outside. That's a Japanese car, so. How are you feeling? Sorry, that was kind of. Anyways, moving on.
SpongeBob!
Do you even know about that lore? Because that is so funny. Like, if you know the lore, that is so fun. It's funny in a non-audible laughing way. You know what I mean? Like, I can't audibly laugh at that, but that is fucking hilarious, bro. Oh, Lord.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
The little laugh. You're an asshole. You're an asshole. That is hilarious.